This is Anders from Bangkok Health Service. Today I will just show you our medical packages and how the web page works. So go to medical packages. Here you can see different type of packages that we have on the web page. You can see the different areas of treatments and checks we offer. You can see the location where we offer it, and here you can see from which city you are coming from. So this will be for the people who want the package to include the plane ticket. And you have other options here, and also pricing, number of days, and hotel rating. We are constantly building more trips and doing new things here. So over time, this will be there will be a lot more treatments available, and health checks and other things, dental care, and the location will also over time get to be more than it is today. Just to clarify, all of these packages are made as examples of how your trip could look like. So you can book something similar to this, and the pricing will be as it is in the package. But most of the packages that we do for people are actually specialized, tailored to their needs. So they have a favorite place they want to go and do things, or they have like a treatment that they want to be done or have done in the best hospital for this treatment, and we will set up the trip for that specific these specific things. So here you can see in the trips how many days is included. The hotels is included. On this one, it's from Beijing to Bangkok, so we have included in the price the plane ticket, the transfer from the airport to the hotel, and from the hotel to the hospital and back. So all transfers are included. Breakfast at the hotel, and this is guided tour. So this is not included. You can book that on the side with our team. When you click it, you come in, you can see again what's included, what is not included. It will have a description of the trip. For this one, it's a broad planned trip for surgery. So there's not the pricing of the surgery is not including in this one. It just tells you what different kind of packages are available, what treatments are available in this package. It says that it's from Beijing to Bangkok, return flight, and it tells you a little bit about the accommodation, about the hospital access, these things. All of the hospitals we use are top hospitals, and with international standards here. So we don't use clinics, we use hospitals, and only the top branch of them. Here you can see a price overview of different treatment types in the hospitals we use, and you are able to search for different treatments. This is only an overview, so when you have a specific things that you want us to help you with, then you will at the bottom just send us a request or inquiry, and we will come back to you with the planning, with the price for you, and what other things you should consider about the trip. So this is only for you to see, okay, how would this look? So I will have a departure from Beijing. I will be picked up in Bangkok, and all the things on the way. You can also see, okay, we have some recovery days here, and of course this will be different if it's a different treatment. So the bigger the surgery, the more days and the more recovery you need. For smaller things, maybe you don't need much, so you can also go out and enjoy the city while you are here in Bangkok, if the treatment is done in Bangkok. So here you have the price, overall price for one person, and you have the price for two persons. And this, both of those include the same things. And as there is no surgery here, the prices here are for the extra price here is for the plane ticket. Please, when you fill out this, just give us an estimated date. You can give us one date you want to start, or you can give us like a time frame to work in. And that makes it a lot easier for us when we have to consult with doctors and things like that. So we are able to set up the trip. So so we know from you come to you go again, the trip is planned as carefully as we're able to do. So you will be taken care of every day, all the way through it. Please leave us a message here about the treatment you want, the surgery, or what else, dental work, and please fill out also if you have specific things that you require, need, or would like. So you don't have to write much. Just for a start, we need to know a little bit about you and what you want, and then afterwards we will start planning with you, and until the end the trip is as you want it, and then you are able to book it. The booking is done by our booking page. We have a payment page, so you will receive the final offer. And when you receive the final offer, you are able to go through our payment page. I can just show it quick here. So you just need to fill in these things and send, and you can pay us either by PayPal or by credit card. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope we will see you soon. So thank you so much, and bye from Bangkok Health Service.